Multiple regional political parties from the northeastern states have come together to form a united platform named One Northeast in a bid to secure their demands and protect their long-term existence. The formation of the new platform was announced on Tuesday in a press conference in Delhi by Tipra Motha Supremo, Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma, Meghalaya CM Conrad Sangma, Assam PPA leader Langthasa and others.
So will you be contesting elections against BJP and Congress?
The formation of the One Northeast platform stems from a critical realizing among regional leaders as elections approach. A proliferation of regional parties likened to mushrooms occurs across the Northeast. Many of these parties, including several in Tripura, have seen their influence wane or their existence become tenuous. The press conference announcing the platform was attended by key regional leaders, including Conrad Sangma, NPP leader and Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Langthasa, PPA leader from Assam, among others. Announcing the formation, Tipra Motha Chief Pradyot Kishore Debbarma stated that the platform aims to unite parties with similar objectives concerning the region's land, people, culture and the future of the next generation.
Starting a process, बहुत लोगों को लगता था होगा नहीं, लेकिन आज शुरुआत हो चुका है और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे रीजन का जो एस्पिरेशन है, we are all one here. I don't think many of the media people here, and you are all renowned media people, many a times you yourself have come and told us that you couldn't differentiate between one Northeasterner to another Northeasterner. We are all one here. We all have similar problems. We all have similar challenges. And I think that if we have to speak for a region, then we should all shed our personal ambitions and egos and come together for the sake of our people, our communities, and speak as one singular political entity. इसी के लिए हमने ये कदम ली है और मैं आशा करता हूं और विश्वास भी करता हूं कि अहंकार से कुछ नहीं होगा. We have to shed our personal ambitions and egos, and we should come together because the most important thing in political sphere or platform is not personal interest but the interest of our people. Our people need collective leadership. Our people need a political voice not only in the Northeast but also outside Northeast. Mainly in Delhi, in Bombay, in Bangalore, in Hyderabad, across metros, Calcutta, and we are going to attempt to do this. And again, to everyone who may have certain questions, our singular effort is to unify the separate voices of Northeast into one singular platform so that we can articulate our point of view to people who perhaps may not understand our challenges. Our challenges are not just within the country, but we also share a big boundary with neighboring countries. And I think that if we can come together, you will probably be able to understand and we will be able to articulate our views in a more cohesive manner. Thank you.
Leaders recognized that separate individual movements will not lead to the fulfillment of their goals, pushing them toward an existential crisis. They concluded that a unified platform Northeast One was necessary to exert meaningful pressure and ensure their future relevance. Pure Report, Chini Khorang.